everyone, and thank you for joining us on this very special day to celebrate with Preston and Yvonne this momentous milestone of 50 golden years of marriage. We are so grateful to God for His blessings on this lovely couple. They have both been pillars of our society and don't really need an introduction, but I'd like to share a little bit about them. Preston, my eldest brother, has been looking forward to this celebration anxiously and with bated breath. He has always been known as a great musician with a golden voice and a quick wit, always the life of any party or gathering. What some may not know about him is how kind-hearted and generous he can be. How kind-hearted and generous he can be. He's always had this group of dedicated friends that were just as fun-loving as himself. As naughty as he was in school, ironically, he fell in love with them and married Yvonne, a beautiful teacher. Quite literally, from the naughty boy to the teacher's pet. Yvonne has been an excellent teacher, much loved and respected by her colleagues and students, a lot of whom are still in touch with her to this day. Preston pursued her for quite a while before he was able to win her over, but I will let him share more on that. Our brothers Cedric and Peter, along with their wives Anne and June respectively, and their families, couldn't be here today due to the pandemic, but they have sent their messages. This is from both of them. We congratulate you, Preston and Yvonne, on this auspicious and unique milestone. With God's guidance and guardianship, we pass through the furnace of trials and tribulations to come out refined like gold. We owe a huge debt of gratitude to our exemplary parents. God bless their souls. The qualities that they instilled in us have stood us in good stead during this journey of married life. It also does take a lot of understanding, forgiveness, and so many other gifts to weather the stormy times and to remain faithful to one another. You deserve to be congratulated on your special achievement. May God's blessings and graces, health, and inner peace visit you in the coming years, and may you celebrate many, many more occasions with all of us. Last, but by no means the least, a special shout out and thanks to all their nieces and nephews for supporting Preston and Yvonne in organizing this celebration. Please join me in toasting them and wishing them many more years of togetherness, love, happiness, and health. Congratulations, Preston and Yvonne. We love you. Cheers to the golden couple.
Yeah. Thank you, Valerie. May I request Alfred Lazarus, the grandnephew of Yvonne, to say a few words on behalf of the De Cruz family.
A very good evening to everyone present over here, ladies and gentlemen, and the special couple. Thank you, Anta and Uncle, for giving me this opportunity, and everyone in Australia who's not here today, for giving me the privilege to be able to address everyone and toast for my uncle and Anta. It's a privilege to know and see Uncle and Anta here today for me, on behalf of my father and my entire family. Uncle and Anta are a great example of ever committed love, and I'm grateful to see something like this in this current generation. Uncle and Anta, I just want you to know that there are a lot of memories that we all have from our past, specifically mine and from the De Cruz family. Tony and Josie and Maria and everyone have given me a whole lot of memories, and it was really amazing for me to see the memories and the impact that you've had on people's lives. Some of the memories that are there that are very, very memorable are when we used to have parties in our house and in Nolanka's house. Also the trips to Velankani where Uncle used to play Little Chinese Boy. And how Tony also mentions how he would always come home to Anta's kitchen while she was cooking, and she was singing songs, someone's in the kitchen with Yvonne. Apart from that, memories where uncle used to always be there, being the fun aunt and uncle of every party. All Velankani trips were never as fun without uncle and aunta. You were always the life of every party and every occasion, uncle and aunta, and it's even visible today. We're all here to celebrate that. Apart from that, the times that we had in our family gatherings at Roypuram or Washman Pet, the jokes, the singing, the sports, the laughter, the endless laughter that uncle is trademarked for, no one can beat uncle's laughter. It's there even when he stops. A lot of support that uncle and aunta have given the De Cruz family, specifically when they were young, giving them the motivation to orchestrate their own singing show on Doordarshan back in the day. These were memories that they would have never had if you had not supported them. Aunta, thank you a lot for Tony mentions for all the times that you've taken him and gone after typewriting class, while you used to go in the auto with him to school, tell him stories to cheer him up. There are so many more memories that they have as they have grown up, for letting them come to your place, be with you, hang out with you, bring their friends over, shopping, restaurants, and all parties that you have been a part of, Aunta. They are all these memories that they can never ever, they are so grateful for them. What we all want you to know, Aunta, that this function was put together as a very small token of all the love that we have for you, and we want you to know that you're very precious to all of us, and all of us who are not there with you right now are with you in spirit. Apart from that, there are a lot of our beloved family members who are not here today among us, but are with you in celebrating from above. Lastly, I would like to also thank everyone who has participated in organizing this event and making it a grand success. We all love you, Aunta, and cheers to your next special occasion. Before I close, I'd like to say, Uncle has always considered me as the useless nephew. But hopefully today Uncle is not going to call me that. Uncle has been a very big inspiration in my life and truly has taught me what love is, what commitment is, and what fidelity is. And I really thank you for giving me this example. Thank you a lot, Uncle and Aunta. On behalf of everyone who's here and who's not here, thank you everyone for coming. Cheers to the golden couple.
Yeah. And this event has been in the planning for almost a year. I've been closely associated with the plans, and so I know that the family in Australia was really excited to be here. They were all wanting to travel down here. I remember all the plans we were making. Unfortunately, COVID changed a lot of things, and one of the disappointments was that the family from Australia could not travel here to be with Uncle and Teacher today. But they have sent us a video with their wishes, and I had a sneak peek. There's so much love. I know every day when we were planning this, the family just couldn't, every time they said how much they wanted to be here, how much they regret not being here, and you could feel the love. And I'm sure, Teacher and Uncle, as you watch this video, you'll see that the love they have for you and all that they planned for you this evening. So let's watch this video and
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Preston Papa and Eva Nana. The love you have for each other is inspiring to all of us. We were hoping to wish you in person, but we'll have to wait for the borders to open back up. Here's a video we've put together for you of all the family who couldn't make it, sending their wishes. We love you and God bless.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, dear Eva Nana and Preston. Congratulations to both of you for loving each other, sacrificing for each other, cooperating with each other, and most of all putting up with one another for 50 years. I know it has been full of challenges, joys and sorrows, but you've made it. 50 years is a great achievement, and we pray all God's blessings on both of you today and in the years to come. Thank you very much for always being there for us and supporting us and loving us and guiding us all through our growing up years. God bless both of you. Congratulations!
Hi Ivananta and Preston. Happy wedding anniversary for 50 years. What an achievement. And thanks for being a lovely aunt and uncle. God bless always.
Hi Preston and Avon. Congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. God's blessings and all the very best. Such an achievement. May you all have many more years together, happiness and good health. Lots of love, Helen and Debbie.
Happy anniversary, and thanks for being a lovely aunt and uncle. Bye. God bless.
Dear Uncle Preston and Auntie Yvonne, I want to wish you a happy wedding anniversary. 50 years is a long time. But I think I remember always loving and kindness from both of you, and I think that's made it this long, so that makes it last this long, I guess. So, happy wedding anniversary from Stanley,
Judy, happy anniversary, Uncle Preston and Aunt Yvonne. God bless you all. Thank you for always being there for our family and for keeping us in your prayers. This is Judah here with me, and that is Benjamin, and Kirk is away, so we all wish you a happy anniversary and God bless you.
Another turning point, folks stuck in the road. Life grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. Something unpredictable in the end is right. I hope you have the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you have the time of your life.
Hi Anta and Preston, happy 50th wedding anniversary from Prakash, Isha and me. I'm so happy for y'all, and I wish we could have been there with y'all, but we are thinking about y'all. Y'all enjoy your day. We wish y'all many more happy and healthy years together. Y'all take care. Bye.
Congratulations, Auntie and Uncle. Wish you only the very, very best and of good health, happiness and prosperity. And may you all see your diamond jubilee next. God bless you both abundantly.
Yes, happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie. Hope you have a wonderful day. Have a drink for us, Uncle. Wish we were there.
Congratulations, Uncle and Auntie. All the best.
Hi, Preston and Yvonne. Congratulations on your 50th anniversary. God bless you with many, many years to come. The milestone that very few have achieved. Anyway, God has blessed you with this, and hope you have a nice time at the party. We'll be thinking of you. All the best. Have a nice time.
Congratulations, Preston and Yvonne, on 50 years of married life. God bless both of you with good health, peace, happiness, and all the very best in the years ahead. Enjoy your evening and have a lovely time on the 11th of September. Most probably we can join in on Zoom. And all the very best. Love
These
you
wishes
all.
come to you from us and the whole family.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Have a lovely day. Have a drink on Cedric and a piece of cake for me.
Cheers.
Bye. Love you all.
Bye.
Auntie Yvonne and Uncle Preston, Francis, Diane, Charlie, Ethan, Liam, wishing you all both a very, very happy 50 years. God bless. Love to both of you always. Have a wonderful day.
Happy anniversary.